Hi everyone, I'm Nikita and today I'm going to direct you towards a healthy living.
Hi everyone, I'm Vidhi and I'm terrible at taking directions but I sure give good ones, especially food wise. A Mexican fiesta and an Italian bonanza is exactly how I would describe our dish today, the tortilla pizza.
And that's why my t-shirt says pizza. And that's great, right? What a perfect fusion of cultures, ingredients, taking care of your cravings and your fitness needs.
That is exactly what we need in today's fast-paced life. But this dish, even though it has such a complex flavor, it's so simple to make.
So let's begin?
Yes. For the first step, what we're going to do is heat some oil in a pan and we're going to add onion and garlic and saute it till it's nice and translucent.
Onion and garlic, don't you think they add such great aroma to food and good taste?
They definitely do, and every time you smell this aroma, you're going to be thinking of me now.
I don't doubt that.
The onion and garlic is nice and translucent. Now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of tomato puree to give this nice tomato taste. Now this is all towards making our refried beans, which are going to be the topping of our pizza.
The begin of the mix is already making me crave for pizza. And what does a girl sometimes crave for? Actually not sometimes, almost every day craves for pizza.
On it, Captain, your wish is my command. So for the next step, now that our tomato puree has cooked a little bit, we're going to add our beans. I'm going to add about 1.5 cup of beans and then we're going to add the spices. Along with the beans, I'm also adding some masala. So we're going to add a little bit of cumin powder, ya jeera. We're also going to add chili powder, little bit of oregano, and salt and pepper.
That's a real twist.
We're going to mix this all up, and this cumin is what gives Mexican this really nice smell. We'll cook this down for about 5 minutes. Now that our beans have cooked for 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to mash them. This is great for anger management, guys.
Oh, definitely. And it's going to really work wonders for all your muscle tissues, as beans are a great source of protein. So you're going to get all of that there. It's also rich in fiber and it has a low glycemic index. So overall, a great protein source for all you vegetarians out there.
I can already feel my muscles building up. Okay, chalo, now this is done. And now we're just going to add some coriander to this for this nice fresh taste. And quickly mix it in. And we're done making the beans. Our beans are finally cooked now.
So what's the next step?
The next step is assembling the pizza. Can you please get me the baking tray?
For sure.
So for the tortilla, we've already baked it at 180 degrees Celsius for about 2 to 3 minutes कि ताकि ज़्यादा floppy ना हो जाए when we cook it again. Can you please place it here?
Yes. Should I take that?
Yes. Thank you. Now all we're going to do is spread the refried beans all over this tortilla.
This already smells so good. It makes me want to travel without even leaving my room.
That's exactly what we're doing, adding our own twist to this global dish. चलो ये तो हो गया. Now we get to the veggies. Please add some broccoli to it now.
So how have you cooked the broccolis?
I've already blanched it in water, so it's nice and boiled.
Perfectly fresh and a really rich source of calcium as well.
I think that's about it. Now I'm going to add a little bit of onion right on top. You can totally add whatever you like, huh? What are your favorite veggies to add on a pizza?
Zucchini, mushrooms, corn.
Oh my god, mushrooms. You can add any of this on the pizza, okay? Now that we're done with the veggies, let's move on to adding the Dreamery cheese.
Oh my god, cheese is like the jaan of any pizza.
I agree.
Isn't it? The soft, creamy texture of it. Cheese is the ultimate favorite.
It's definitely my favorite. So we're going to add the jalapeno cheese slice from Dreamery. I'll help you with that.
Another rich source of calcium and protein getting add on to this overdose of a protein pizza.
So till we're adding our cheese, I'm just going to tell you all the next step. We have to bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees till the cheese melts and the tortilla is nice and crispy. Okay, so let's put this in the oven and then we're just going to wait for the pizza to get cooked up. I think our pizza is finally done. I'm so excited to eat it.
I can't wait to have a look at it. Get it out.
This Dreamery cheese has melted so well now.
Oh my god, I can't wait to grab a bite.
So let's get ready for our pizza party.
You mean a pizza party?
Exactly. So for that, I'm going to move on to the next step or the final plating of this dish. Uske liye I'm just going to add a little bit of zingi salsa right on top. It's super fresh, made with fresh onions and tomatoes. Now I'm adding your favorite ingredient, the
avocados. Definitely. In the fitness world, there's so much craze about the richness of avocados, especially because it's rich in vitamins and fiber. And do you know that it has a higher potassium level than even the bananas? And to top it all, it's one of the best and the good quality fat that you can add to your diet.
That sounds amazing, but enough about all these ingredients. I'm very hungry. I'm just going to quickly cut the pizza so we'll dig into it, huh?
You better cut it really quick because I am tired of waiting now.
India ka taste, Italy ka pizza and Mexico ka tortilla, it's like we don't even need to go anywhere.
And we don't even actually have to pack our bags.
Exactly.
So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and join us on our adventures.